Ella, can you tell Daddy what happened?
This is a really bad day because I saw bird poop.
Well, can you look at me and tell me what happened?
A bird pooped, not in the grass.
Where did it land?
It landed over here, and I saw there, and bird poop got on my butt.
And what did... So it landed right there, and then you did what?
I sat on it.
And now where is it? Stand up. Let me see.
No.
Come on, stand up.
Bye-bye.
Stand up, let me see. Ella, Daddy needs to see so I can show Mama.
Why?
Come on, let me see it. Just one time. Come on. Stand up. Stop. So why did that bird poop on you?
I don't know.
Do you like birds still? No? Alright. Say bye-bye.